marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland until 1 p.m. At 12:04 p.m., strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Colonial Beach to 20 nautical miles south of Westmoreland State Park, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and waterspouts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Yokosuka River, Breton Bay, St. Clements Bay, Westmoreland State Park, mouth of the Potomac River, Cobb Island, Point Lookout, Swan Point, Colton's Point, Coles Point, Namini Bay, St. George Island, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, Tall Timbers, Piney Point, and Colonial Beach. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland and the adjacent coastal waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Mary County in southern Maryland, Central Charles County in southern Maryland until 1 p.m. At 12:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Nanjemoy Creek to Post Creek to Colonial Beach to near Leapstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Central Charles County in southern Maryland until 1 p.m. At 12:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Nanjemoy Creek to Post Creek to Colonial Beach to near Leapstown, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impacts, damaging roofs will cause some trees and large branches to fall. Don't get into those outdoors, as well as damaged homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectile. Locations impacted include Walworth, La Barga, Leonardtown, Sheridan Point, Post Creek, St. Clements Bay, Port Tobacco River, Wicomico River, White Point Beach, California, Golden Beach, Hollywood, Wicomico, Huntersville, Mechanicsville, Charlotte Hall, Cobb Island, Bryantown, Benedict, and Rock Point. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland and central Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland and central Virginia. And the following independent cities in Virginia: Manassas Park and Manassas, and the following: tidal Potomac from Indian Head. From Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 1 p.m. At 12:13 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Nanjemoy Creek to near Galway, moving north at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 1 p.m. At 12:13 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Nanjemoy Creek to near Dahlgren, moving north at 45 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Mithas Point, United States, 3019 Memorial Bridge and Post Creek. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland, central Virginia, and the adjacent coastal waters. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for southern Maryland and central Virginia. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia Virginia has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, east central Montgomery County in central Maryland until 12:45 p.m. At 12:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Aspen Hill, or over Olney, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour.
So, what?
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia.
The tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
East Central Montgomery
Damage to roofs,
Central
sides,
Traffic
and
worse.
windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed.
A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located
This dangerous
over
storm
Aspen
will be
Hill,
near
or over
Savage,
Olney,
Guilford
moving
around
northeast at 45 miles per hour.
Columbia
Hazard,
around 12:40 p.m.
Source,
Elkridge
radar
and
indicated
Ellicott City
rotation.
around 12:45
Impact,
p.m.
for those in the direct
Other
path of a
locations
tornado
affected
touchdown,
by this
flying
tornadic
debris will be
thunderstorm
dangerous to
include
those
Fulton,
caught without shelter.
Centerville, Cloverly,
Damage to
Simpsonville,
roofs,
Clarksville,
siding, and
Edna,
windows may
Aspen,
occur.
Norbeck, Sandy
Mobile
Springs,
homes may be
Lakeville.
damaged or destroyed.
Take cover now.
Tree damage is
Move to a
likely.
basement or an
This
interior room
dangerous
on the
storm
lowest
will be
floor
near
of a sturdy
Savage,
building.
Guilford around
Avoid
12:35
windows.
p.m.
If you are
Columbia
outdoors,
around
in a
12:40
mobile
p.m.
home, or in a vehicle,
Elkridge and
move to the
Ellicott
closest
City around
substantial shelter and
12:45
protect
p.m.
yourself from flying debris.
Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Fulton, Spencerville, Cloverly, Simpsonville, Clarksville, Edna, Ashton, Norbeck, Sandy Spring, and Brinkville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself.
Earlier wreck southbound near 234 in Dumfries. That looks like it may be clear. Just do have in general volume with the weather.
I'm Rita Kessler, WTOP Traffic.
We interrupt this program
for an emergency.
a local weather emergency.
A local weather emergency. Important information will follow.
We interrupt this program to activate
We interrupt-
the emergency alert system
glass
for the
wind.
Washington,
You have
D.C.
questions on
metropolitan operational area because of a local weather emergency. At 12:17, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado
was located over Aspen Hill or over Olney, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. For those in the direct path of a tornado touchdown, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, sliding glass and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. Again, a tornado warning now for east central Montgomery County in central Maryland and southeastern Howard County in central Maryland.
Let's
head to Storm Team 4 meteorologist Samara Theodore with more on this.
Better than I thought it was going to be.
Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. Again, a tornado warning now for east central Montgomery County in central Maryland and southeastern Howard County in central Maryland.
Let's head to Storm Team 4 meteorologist Samara Theodore with more on this.
Rockville and into Dernwood. And that is moving towards Aspen Hill and into Olney.
National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Gloucester County in eastern Virginia, southern Middlesex County, South County, southeastern and Queen County, miles per hour. Hartfield and Blake's around 12:55 p.m. Deltaville around 1 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Croker, Camp Erie, Harmony Village, Grafton, Harcum, Cache, Amber, Ewell, Graves Point, and Allenville. The tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for east central Virginia. The tornado watch also remains in effect until 6 p.m. for eastern and southeastern Virginia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for East Central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 6 p.m. for Eastern and Southeastern Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 6 p.m. for the adjacent coastal waters for Eastern and Southeastern. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for East Central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains. Calling the 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 p.m. for East Central Virginia. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 6 p.m. for Eastern and Southeastern Virginia. And the following tidal Potomac from